get noisy. Looking to see if there's any kind of leaks on the ground. Make sure we got mud wash. Make sure our belts are good. Don't have anything leaking out of the water pump.
Tell me about this week. What are we going to be doing this week?
Ooh, we're going to be driving and picking up loads. Usually I'll pick up a load one day. I'll drop off a load in the mornings. I'll pick up a load in the afternoons, and then I'll drop off that load the next day. There are some times when we have an all drive day like we're doing today, and where we're only doing like maybe 4 loads a week, but there's a lot of times where it's 5 loads a week, 4 loads a week, sometimes 6 loads a week. That's a busy week, you know. But normally it's 4 to 5 loads a week that you're doing. We tarp about 60% of our loads. If we get a coil, we'll definitely tarp it. I don't normally get coils that aren't tarped, but just a lot of driving, having fun, and picking up loads. We listen to books constantly. I go through about 100 books a year, and they can vary from historical books to sci-fi books, but there's a lot of guys out here that's what they do on the road, is they listen to books.
Is this the smallest truck stop you've ever been to? What's the smallest truck stop you've ever been to?
Maybe 5 or 6 trucks could fit in there. Well, let's put it this way, 5 or 6 spots, and then you can make about 10. That's usually what happens. That's it. It's over. It's been a long day and I'm tired. I've got my post trip done. I've spoken to my wife, and now I get to go back here and edit a video. Now you got to go.